In front of me is Motorola RAZR 30 and today I would like to show you where you can locate all text correction options. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to Access System. Then select Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard and Gboard. Following that, tap on Text Correction. As you can see, all typing features are available over here. To manage them, click on the switchers next to the chosen ones. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!